What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lens is a lifestyle. Been working on Lens Loft. Kind of got it finished up. Ready to release the birds and let them see how they enjoy the new loft. Check it out. Got my trap doors in. Got some food. I'm gonna see if they're gonna use this trap door for the first time. So that's how we got the setup, in and out. Just got three kind of foods in there. Some they love the sunflower seeds. Some other food with some molasses, some peas. So this is the finished product, but it's never finished. It's always a work in progress. So those are the birds I'm going to release in the loft. We have Hercules and his baby mama out. Rest of them kind of locked up. Got a new lock for the inside. Got some purchase set up. The nest boxes. So next boxes go all the way up to the top. We had to change around the cage a little bit. It wouldn't fit in there. It was supposed to fit long ways, but I had to stand it straight up. But it came out all right like that. I think I was able to put more nest boxes in. Trap doors from the back, in and out. Purchase. Let's check out. I got some artificial hay, two kind of artificial hay, and Spanish sea moss. This just came from the dollar store. It was a nest bowl. I kind of ripped it up. It's the Spanish sea moss and some artificial hay. That's the setup. I done fill them all up. Sometimes they like to make their own nest boxes. Nobody really got in here yet, so out of the three that's out, Hercules and his baby mom, they should be ready to do something by now. So I got a new youngin, hatched out yesterday. So I'm worried about they didn't kick that egg all the way out. So, well, they still got another egg in there. She'll hatch probably today or tomorrow. You guys let me know what you think about these two. Can I open up this cage, keep this nest? I gotta get this cage out of here, and hopefully they find a new nest. But I just wanted them to have them babies and take care of them, so I'm not really sure how to do that. Little youngin, about a day old. So they baby is, where he at? That's one of their children right there. I raised off of this pair. They've been paired up for a while. Guys, let me know what I can do with this floor. I see a lot of people just have wood down, but I'm gonna let it stay like this for a little while and see how it works. So I'm gonna see if they gonna. What is he doing? Oh, feeding him. It's my first time seeing feeding to a little hatchling like that. That's the cock bird that's in the nest bowl. And that's the hen outside the nest bowl with the little black on her back. They pretty calm, chill birds. Some good flyers. Yeah, they some pretty good flyers. So we ready to race. Holla at me. Put your money where your mouth at. My top flyers right here. They keep out to feed them again. I think if I open up the cage there, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it closed for a couple days to see. Landlands is a lifestyle. Thanks for liking and subscribing. All my new followers, appreciate it. I see you. You know, I'm always watching y'all pages, trying to figure it out how to do this. I've only been having these birds for about a year now, so I spent hours and hours and hours of watching YouTube videos, Manny Loft, all kind of videos, pigeons, to see how to raise birds, fly birds. So appreciate all the love. Let's see if one of them gonna go in there. All right, let's do it. Put this food on the side. See if they're gonna come in and get the food. Let's see. Okay, we got one jumping in the nest box I just put in at the top. Yeah, that's what we need. Get comfortable. All right, let's see if this gonna work. Hercules, it's my top flyer right there. It's Hercules. Houdini. Houdini, one of my fastest birds. Duck that hawk all the time. I just made this little contraption to see if this gonna work. See, these birds, some of them, I never let them out yet. They're young birds. Only had them probably like 2 or 3 months, probably like 3 months. Okay. baby's in the way. Oh no. It's working. It's working, but the plate, the food tray is in a bad spot. We got 3 more in here. Yes. Last 2 red ones. Good job. Everybody use that trap door. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, they already trying to coat. I know it feels good for them to stretch their wings. They've been in that cage 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Releasing the birds to the new loft, to their new home. See if they can get comfortable. Make me some babies so I can start racing. Start training in probably about a month. Let them sit in here for a while. I got some more I need to get in here. I got 2 young birds and a silver. I got 2 young birds that I need to get in here. It's like a silver grizzly or something. Hey, little rabbit. Yeah, mama getting healthy. Mama getting swole. A little squeaker, little squat. Alright gang, thanks for watching. I ain't gonna be able to handle this phone and catch these birds, but maybe I will. Let's put it up right here for a second. See, can I catch a couple? Put them in a new loft. Let's see. got the youngin. Get out of here. Gang. I think this is a hen. She pretty calm. Young bird. Oh, hey, calm down. Just gonna put her through this trap door. See, we've never met these ones before, so all my birds in here are mule men, and this is my first checker. It's my first checker that I'm putting in with the mule men. All right. So we're gonna do this process a couple more times. Thanks for watching the video. Much love. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about the loft, what I can change about it, what I can do some upgrades to make it better. Peace.